This is a fit for a 2017 through 2019 Subaru Outback with factory installed crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima CBX 16 rooftop cargo box. This is a 16 cubic foot cargo box. We found this to be a perfect fit on this Subaru Outback. There is no interference with the fully open rear hatch and no contact with the rear antenna. This box measures 83 inches in length, 38 inches wide, and 15 inches high. It is a dual-sided opening box accessible from both passenger or driver side using the Yakima SKS key system. It connects to the crossbars using the integrated mounting hardware. The mounting hardware tightens from the inside of the box with a removable tool that indicates when the fastener is completely tight with a click mechanism. This box can accommodate skis measuring up to 175 centimeters. The overall height from the top of the box to the ground is 79 inches or 6 feet 7 inches exactly. The weight carrying capacity of this factory roof rack system is 150 pounds. The weight of the box is 57 pounds, giving a total weight carrying capacity of 93 pounds. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.